Let us start from the page number 71. If we change the position of any of the bars of a bar graph, would it change the information being conveyed? Why? So now you will think and you will reply. Definitely you will reply. I will be waiting for you, okay, on my personal number. Try this. Draw an appropriate graph to represent the give information. Month, number of watches sold, July, August, September, October, November, December. And children who prefer school A, school B, school C, walking and cycling. School A. And percentage wins in ODI by 8 top cricket teams. This. So in this you will draw double bar graph in this way. Clear? So what you will do, and here the single month you will take horizontally on the x-axis, and on the y-axis you will take number of watches sold. And what you will do for interval, you can take 500. So 500 interval you will take, here horizontally line, here vertical line, and 500 interval you will take, and you will draw this. Okay, now this walking, cycling. Okay, school A, school B, and school C. So data you will 10, 20, 30, 50. Okay, and walking and cycling. And this way you will draw the bar graph. Okay, percentage wins in this year, double bar graph. South Africa, horizontally you will take here, and there the percentage you can take 10 interval and try to do. Okay, now next is organizing data. So organizing data, it is called art, mathematics, different subjects list you can see. So it is called raw data, rough data. Okay, that means kacha material you can see. It is you can see not arranged in the systematically. Now systematically if we arrange, so according art, English, maths and telemarks, we know 4 vertical line and 4 vertical line cross one slanting line in shape, that is called telemarks. So when you will arrange subject art, telemarks, so number of students 7, mathematics 5. So you will get, it is called frequency, how many times the art subject is repeating, and it is called frequency, number, and grouping, the organizing the data in the systematic way. Frequency gives the number of times that a particular entry occurs. You can see frequency, telemarks, particular number, that means 7 students, those who have taken art subject. Now question based on, and frequency gives the number of times, already I explained you. Now you can see frequency distribution table. It is called frequency distribution table. Now try this. A group of students were asked to say which animal they would like most as a pet. The results are given, see here. So in this way you will pet animals, animals, telemarks, and number of people, and you will frequency distribution table you will do. Okay, now next is grouping data. Now in the grouping data you can see we are taking one example. Consider the following marks obtained in mathematics by 60 students of class 8. So that means in the class 8 60 students marks in maths subject are written here. Now so many data, so with the help of frequency distribution table, if we will so large data we will get. So for this what we will do, we will fix one interval. Okay, so you can see this table. First we will find from here marks. So smallest number is 10. Seven is the smallest, and greatest maximum out of 50. So till 50 we can take interval. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, interval. It is called lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper. In this table we have arranged the data in the grouped form. You can see. So grouped frequency distribution. 0 to 10, one group. Most of the students have scored between 20 to 40. You can see here. Easily you will be knowing each of the group, that means is called class interval. Class interval, class interval. And lower class limit, upper class limit, already I told you. And the difference between these two, that means difference. Everywhere the difference is same. So it is called width or size of the class interval. So width or size of the class interval is this 10. Now study the following frequency distribution table and answer the following questions. Frequency distribution of daily income. So you will do. In this way you have to prepare only. Okay. So half of the table on the next page. So you can do easily. Now see here, what is the size of the class interval? Everywhere the class interval, the difference is everywhere 25. So size 25. So 25 is the size of the class interval. Which class has the highest frequency? You can observe 140. So class this. And which class has the lowest? So smallest number you will frequency. You will check what the upper limit of class interval. Upper limit is 275. Lower limit is this. Which two classes have the same frequency? You can observe the table and you can do. Now you can see another bar with a difference. Class interval, frequency. Now you can see here there is no gap in the bars and there is no gap in the after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in this way. Okay. And here is no gap. You can see. So on the horizontal axis, the height of the bar shows the frequency of the class interval. There is no gap between the bars and there is no gap between the class interval. The graphical representation of data in this manner is called histogram. Now another histogram. So in this histogram you can see that jagged line, and jagged line, that means broken line, has been used along the horizontal line to indicate that we are not showing the numbers between 0 to 20. Because here you can see equal interval, +5, +5, +5, +5, +5, +5. But here directly 0 to 20. That's why we are showing this jagged line. That means 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. That interval we are not taking here. Ages of 25 teachers of school. The range is divided in equal intervals of 5 years. You can see age in years and number of teachers we are showing. Bars of equal width with no gaps in between. Height of bar gives the number of data items in a particular group and is the frequency. 2 teachers whose age between 40 to 45. Now from the bars of the histogram we can answer the following questions. How many teachers are of age 45 years or more but less than 50 years? 3 plus 2. 2. How many teachers are age of less than 35 years? Less than 35? 6, 5, 11, 15. Observe the histogram and answer the questions below. Jagged line, we are not showing the interval between number between 0 to 1 to. What information is being given by the histogram? You will find, you can see here which group contains maximum girls. This you will and write. Now, how many girls have a height of 145 centimeters and more? If we divide the girls into the following three categories, how many would there be in each? So easily you can observe with the help of histogram, and you can solve these sums. Now we will start exercise 5.1. You can see here. For which of this would you use use a histogram to show the data? The number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag, the height of competitors is an athletics meet, the number of cassettes produced by 5 companies, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. Give reasons for each. So see here, the numbers of letters for different areas in a postman's bag. Okay, number of letter, different areas, but any criteria is given, interval is given, fixed, no. The height of competitors in an athletics meet. So any athletics meet, when you will observe, you can take the interval. Okay, and you can draw a histogram. The number of cassettes are produced by 5 companies. In this, what you can see, 5 companies. So the number of cassettes, interval fixed, not given. The number of passengers here also given, definite. So in B and D, for these we can draw histogram. But you can see the number of letters for different areas in a postman's bag, and the number of cassettes produced by. So in this A and C, no need to draw a histogram, but in this two we can show with the help of histogram. Now the shoppers who come to departmental store are marked as a man, woman, W, boy, capital B, and girl for stands capital G. The following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hour in the morning. Okay, so the following list gives the shoppers who came during the first hours in the morning. So what you will do first here, data M, W, B, G, then tally mark, then frequency. Okay, after that you will get criteria. Then what you will do, frequency distribution. After getting frequency distribution table by using draw bar graph. So you can draw bar graph. Horizontal line, what you will take, man, woman, boy, girl, and vertical on the x-axis what you will take, 10, 20, 30 or 5, 10, any interval you can take, because interval is not defined here. Now the weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory are in rupees. Some are getting 830 rupees, 890. Okay. Using tally marks, make a frequency distribution table. That means same way. What we will write on the vertical lines, interval we have to take 800 to 810, 810 to 820 in this way. First is 0 on the vertical line you will take, and on the horizontal line 30 workers. Okay, so workers, wages in rupees, workers. So you will get after when you will get idea, when you will form a distribution table, frequency distribution table. Draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3. Okay, and answer the following questions. So on the basis of this you have to draw an histogram also. So we'll solve third question. Okay, now in third question you will solve in this way: class intervals, tally marks, and frequency. Between 800 and 810, 3 workers, those who are getting between these rupees. This way you will, maybe my table may be wrong, but see here, cross check you can do in this. 30 workers we are getting. So first you will count and you will do. Maybe here I am also human being, so I make mistake. So you will count and you will do. I am giving you a only idea. Okay, I am not telling it is wrong, but it is so small things you have to count and you have to write. Okay, so in this way you can give. Clear? Now on the basis of this we will draw histogram. For this chapter you will make a graph notebook. Now you can see here on the basis of the third question, because we got in the third question frequency distribution table. So on the basis of that I have drawn the histogram. You can see weekly wages in rupees and number of workers. Now see here in which interval maximum number of workers. So number of workers you can see in the between this interval, that means rupees 830 and rupees 840. In this 830 to 840 number of workers are 9. Now second question, in second question number of workers, those who are getting more than 850. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. 314, 426, 410. You will write your answer in the complete statement. Number of workers, those who are getting more than 850 rupees is equal dash plus dash plus dash plus dash plus equal. Now number of workers, those who are getting less than 850. You can see here 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. 20. So answer you can see here, but in the I have not written in the statement form, but you will write in the statement form. Is it clear? Now in the fifth question you can see the number of hours for which students of a particular class watched television during holidays is shown through the given graph. Okay, answer the following. For how many hours did the maximum numbers of students watch TV? You can see the, because here jagged line, because interval, proper interval we have taken 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, so you can, this question you can do yourselves. Okay, your work should be neat and clean. Any time I can ask the notebooks checking, because all the subjects notebooks are collected in the PDF form. So I am waiting, because Maths subject particular and Sanskrit both are, one is new for you and both are the second one is maths. You will take time to complete. That's why I am not asking, but any time. And views are definitely I am getting the views. How many students are watching the videos or not? And for internals, PDF, and for Sanskrit subject also I will give enough information. So complete your notebook, take it seriously.